So 2010 Jeep, it's a 3.8 engine. I worked on this one before. It's got one large coil pack, etc. So repairs were made, cylinder 4 misfire as a consequence. I went straight to it. It's a very subtle misfire. It's not like a hard misfire. But as you see, wires have been done, coil, there's the old one. Kind of stupid the way they put this together, but anyway. So I pulled forward, was ready to do a compression test and get started. But as you see, the gap is closed. This is supposed to, I was wrong. There's your information. So what I did is I just set it to 50 thousandths. That's what that looks like. And we're going to reinstall it and recheck for misfire. So that fixed the problem. All good now. But there is an exhaust leak. I was starting to think that may have been a possible factor. There's a broken bolt in the back, but it sounded like it was in the area of number 4. But there was a broken bolt in the back. But that does not seem to be influencing its drivability. So it's good, good and smooth. We'll put a wheel speed sensor on this vehicle to solve these other lights and put it down the road. So I guess the point of this video is to, again, I go behind others. This is another shop. They made repairs to this vehicle, tune up whatever it was that they did, and then there's an issue. And I always start with where they were at first and eliminate what they've done. If it was a bad part they put on because these were garbage parts other than an NGK plug and wired some aftermarket coil, I go back through it, and that's what we found was just, you know, that may have been just dropped down into the cylinder. Who knows, maybe it wasn't gapped when they came out of the box. I really don't know what their process was, but I gapped it. It's good, and that's it. So on to the next one.